welcome back to the channel. If you're addicted to apples, you've come to the right place. Hi, my name is Nick. Welcome to another unboxing video. Here's one I've acquired recently. Let's have a look to see what's inside. Okay, here's one I just picked up recently. Let's have a look. It's from a known supplier, and it's a lot of this stuff which I don't need for now. Alright, so there's a whole lot of MacBook white unibody parts. Alright, this is what I got. Worse off than I thought. But I got it cheap. And a couple of batteries, a couple of braces. So basically it's screens, bottom cases, and I thought all these would have logic boards in them, but they don't. So this is the only semi-complete one, but the screen's stuff there, as you can see. So, don't know whether it's worth testing or whether just stripping them. Basically, I've got top cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 top cases, 3 logic boards, some sort of 2010 model. I can't tell by the serial number. EMC2350, EMC2350, EMC2350. That's already been replaced as well. So they are there. Now these bottom cases were notorious for this. Terrible. Coming undone. Apple had a repair program on it. This had a liquid spill, as you can see. Terrible liquid spill. This would have came out of a school, most likely. That one is okay. Count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that. So 15 of those, plus 1 loose. Screens, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 screens. That's from notorious A1181 with a cracked. So 6 screens plus 1, 7. Plus whatever else I said. That's that lot. I might test the logic boards here. My guess is they're not working. There's a lot of scratches on that too. It's the only thing that probably works. But and the fans. You know, there's cheap parts there. I'll repurpose the keyboards. So most of this will be going into a repurpose. If it's working, if the logic boards are working, I'll sell them. If not, just going to repurpose the whole lot. And that's all I got for this video. Sorry it's nice and short, but yeah, that's just a recent lot that I got. But I do pick up these type of lots every so often. I don't do it that often, but thanks again. Until next time, next video. Bye. So that's what's in the box. Nothing too exciting, but that's what I can pick up fairly cheaply, and that's what I do, still do. So not part of my collection, but I don't know what I'm going to do with this equipment. We'll find out soon. Thanks, bye.